Hey guys, what's going on? It's CryptoCine here. So today I have some exciting news if you are a happy cloud miner at Hashflare, because they just brought out a new promotion where you get a 10% discount for every single contract. So basically why they did this promotion is because of their spring sale, and they are stating that the long-awaited spring is coming and they want to have very special prices with a 10% discount for every single contract. So also the SHA-256 Bitcoin mining algorithm, which is now at $1.60 for 10 gigahashes, which now was $1.80 for 10 gigahashes. So this doesn't sound like a lot, but obviously the more you purchase, the more valuable it is, the 10% discount. So this is a limited offer, and you should definitely take advantage of it, because, well, I guess this will not last too long, so probably 1 to 2 weeks. So if you're new to Hashflare, I will briefly go over it and how you can calculate how much money you will approximately make per day, per week, per month, or per year. So on Hashflare, every mining contract lasts for 1 full year, so 365 days. And therefore you have to calculate how much profit you will on average make, because it also depends on 2 factors. So the first factor is, which we can see in my little Chrome extension, is the Bitcoin price. So obviously if I have 1 Bitcoin right now and it's valued at $10,000, I have $10,000. If I have 1 Bitcoin right now and it's $20,000, the next week I have $20,000. So this is also a huge point. And because most people on Bitcoin are bullish, mining is a very profitable way, because a lot of people think that Bitcoin will increase in price. Obviously, if you think so too, mining is definitely a good thing for you. And the other thing is the Bitcoin mining difficulty. So this is how hard it is to mine Bitcoins. And as the network is getting bigger and bigger, we can see here that the Bitcoin mining difficulty is always getting higher. So this means that with the same amount of hashes you're mining with, your outcome is getting less and less. But this doesn't mean you're getting less US dollar, because the price can obviously increase. So these are the 2 factors that come in play when we're talking about mining. So I'm only going to talk about the SHA-256 Bitcoin mining algorithm and contracts for this one, because this is the most profitable one, and I can quickly show you how much you are estimated to make. So let's say you buy 1 terahash, which is valued at $180 US. So let's say $180 US, and you have the promo code, it would be valued at $162. So now you have a mining contract that lasts 1 year with 1 terahash for $162. So now I want to calculate that, and we will go to one of few calculating sites. I myself use What's to Mine. We go to Coins, Bitcoin, and we said we have 1 terahash, so this would equal to 1000 gigahashes. We have 0 power, and we have 0 power cost. The hardware cost was 162, and the pool fee of Hashflare is around 17%. The block reward is 12.87. Difficulty increases itself on this website, and also the Bitcoin value is 10.8k. So if you click on calculate, the first thing you should have a look at is when you're going to break even. So we're going to break even in 211 days. So this means that in 211 days, we will have our $162 back, and from the moment we got it back, we will make profit every single day. So let's take a look at the table below. So with 1 terahash, you're estimated to make 71 or 0.00071 Bitcoin per day, which would be around 77 cents, which would equal to $23 a month and $280 a year. So obviously this doesn't sound a lot, but you only invested $160 and you got $280 out. So this is a really nice way. You cannot get such rates with a bank, for example. But let's say you invest a little bit more. So let's say you want to invest around $10,000, let's say $10,080. Obviously, we're going to take the discount code. So it's only 9,072 for 56,000 gigahashes. 9,072, and you will see that you will make 1,300 per month, which is a lot more. And now is the good thing. So because the Bitcoin price is most likely going to increase, we will click the enable and we will say, well, Bitcoin is right now valued at $30,000. So what's now happening is we will break even in not even 3 months, and we will make $3,600 every single month. So this is really the power of mining, and I want you to know that cloud mining is still worth it. So if you, like me, cannot just hold a coin because you just want to buy and sell every single time, you should definitely look into mining, because your balance is obviously locked up for a certain time and you cannot withdraw big amounts every single day, and you cannot buy and sell every single day. So this is why I think cloud mining is still a very big factor and is a very good thing. So if you're interested in cloud mining, check out my link below, and thanks for watching.